Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix iPhone black screen, stuck on startup, stuck on Apple logo, red or blue screen during startup. In this video to fix this issue. When appeared black screen on iPhone, you need to press and hold side button to open the iPhone. You should charge your iPhone 20 minutes. You should charge your iPhone 20 minutes. After charging 20 minutes, if black screen appear on iPhone, your accessory is not supported. You should connect your charging cable on Mac instead the charger. You should use always Apple certified accessories or charging cable. You should use charging cable shipped in the box charged with your iPhone.
If this doesn't work, this video part 2 link in description.
You should connect your charging cable on Mac instead the charger. Guys, if this video helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe.